kind of a, I guess, a word to the wise for battery powered lane machines. Don't remove the plug by yanking on the wires, because this could happen. Fortunately, we have new ends. I got these from Grainger. You can get them wherever you want, but we're gonna pop both ends out. Wish I had just a little more light. But these tabs are retained with kind of a spring-loaded backing plate. So we have to lift the tabs up and over the backing plate, or press down on the backing plate to get these things to release. Hopefully we can do this relatively easy. I think this screwdriver is a bit big. So let's grab a smaller one. Come on, please. Please come out. Push forward. Lift. And pull, right? You're going to make a liar out of me. No, wouldn't be the first time, right? There we go. Maybe. Almost. There we go. Ooh, factory crimp. Nice. This one's been around a while. Let's see if I can extract the damaged one. Easier said than done, because I'll need 3 hands. One to depress the plate, and one to actually push the connector out. Yeah. Nope, not yet. Struggling here. It's not even Monday. Boy, oh boy. There it is. Alright, we've ejected our bed. What I'm going to do, yeah. Sorry, thinking in my brain and not talking out loud. Since we've lost the pigtail lead to measure battery voltage, we're going to replace that as well and bring this back up to factory fresh. So we're going to trim these back just a little bit. Boing. Make sure they're fairly even. Boing. I don't know if I have strippers that go up to a wire gauge of this size. I know that I don't have a crimper, so I'll probably end up doing it in the vise. No matter. It's okay. Alright, I paused things for just a second while I went and gathered needed supplies and materials, so let's jump into this. First thing we're going to do, we're going to strip some fresh wire here. And the crimps, the new terminal ends, probably going to get squeezed in the vise because I don't have a proper tool. So we're going to put the caps on there, red to red, black to black, and then take it over to the vise and just squeeze them down. Well, it's not my best work ever, but they're crimped down pretty good. We're going to put them back in the terminal block, or plug-in, excuse me. They're labeled plus and minus. Plus is red, black is negative. It should be fairly obvious, but we're going to cover the bases anyways. Alright, there's one. And let's bring the other side in. Right. Come on. There it is. Alright. Our next step, we're going to put some Molex sockets on the end of these wires. We're going to put a Molex connector on, and this is going to allow us to use these leads as a test point, meter test point. That's the right size. Good. I guessed properly. That doesn't always happen. Have to do it lefty. Thinking upside down and backwards. There we go. Try to do it righty. Okay. I don't think it really matters which pins we install these in. We'll go like that. All the way in? It's all the way in. Okay, good. And then a couple of zip ties for some strain relief, and we're good to go. Well, however, I did not grab zip ties. They are behind me. Man. And there you go. Charging cable repaired. Okay, bye.